Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt and this is the Coin Pursuit, the pursuit to financial freedom. So in today's video, we are going on the road today and it's Q4, it's the most busiest time for any reseller because Christmas is coming up and we want to make as much money as possible. We want to capitalize on that. So today, me and my good buddy Ben, we're going to go out on the road and we're going to do a lot of retail arbitrage. We've listed some shops that we want to go see. We're going to take you guys with us, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in the shop, have a spend up. I'm going to spend as much money as I can today because the key is to spend as much, send it into Amazon and get that profit. So, come along.
So what sort of things are you looking for today then, Matt?
So the key thing is anything for a profit, but I know what does well is Lego, for me anyway, like toys, like anything Q4 related. So it'd be toys, chocolates, you know, try and think of like what's in season when you're sourcing, and then go around the shops, but also try and have a look beforehand on websites and stuff, like if they've got stuff in stock, because it makes your life so much easier. Like, you know, piss poor planning makes piss poor performance. So at the moment we thought we were going to a shop but it was closed down, so which is not great, and it didn't tell us on the maps that it was closed down, so we got there, it was closed down, but we thought we'd try the other shops. And some of the independent shops as well. If you look at some independent shops, they have good deals, man. So you just got to keep scanning and just hoping that you'll get a nice tidy profit. My ROI is a minimum of 20%. Now everyone's is different, which is fair enough, but if the lower the ROI, for me, the more it's got to sell. So say if something, even if I was making 10%, I'd have to be shipping units, you know, like a lot of units. And if you're making a lot higher, I'm happy to sit on something which is going to make me more profit. So you just got to gauge what you're buying all the time. Yeah, so in terms of the question, what we're getting is anything Q4, so toys, games, board games, electronics, gifts, gift packs, like you know, like you can get the 3 for 2s, they're really good for people starting off, but again they'll be very saturated, and what you'll get is a lot of people will buy the gift packs or whatever, like the gift, what are they called?
Like gift boxes?
Yeah, so it'd be the gift set. So yes, they're good, but you've got to remember everyone will be buying them and sending them in, and what that will do will crash your listing, and then you'll be stuck. So you've got to try and find good quality items, less sellers, and that's the name of the game, I suppose. So, but yeah, anyway, we're going to go to the next location now, and then we'll see what we'll buy. But I'm hoping, I want to spend at least $1,000 today. Sheesh. Yeah, man, $1,000, and then hopefully that'll bring me an average of like 30% ROI. Nice. Yeah, man. But we're on the road again. You gotta be careful. And also, when you're sourcing in new locations, top tip: follow the speed limit, because you never know where the cameras are. So first location where we have come to, it was kind of not that great. Everything that we wanted to get was either not in stock or we were scanning and it was overpriced. So we decided to cut our losses. We only had an hour on the parking ticket, but the next location, we know there's going to be some good toy stores. We know where we're going, so we're going to go in there and we won't have to be rushed with parking and stuff like that. So we'll go in there, have a look, bring you along. Cool. So we've made it to the next retail part now. There's loads of different stuff here, like literally loads, and yeah, hopefully we'll hit some gold, fuel up for the day, get some food. Yeah man, it looks a good retail park, so hopefully we'll be able to tell you at the end of this how much we spent, how much profit, etc, etc. So let's go in. Brilliant story of literally sourcing. Some guy comes out 6 boxes of this item, goes to his car, puts it in his car. Ben asks him, are you doing Amazon arbitrage, retail arbitrage? Yeah, I am. Mate, we checked the item out and it's like almost 100% ROI. So we're gonna go in and clear the rest out and then we're gonna do the rest. So that's what we've got to do. Mate, honestly, this game, you've got to be quick and you've got to have people sourcing for you, going in, bish bash bosh, out. Love it. And Ben, look. It's Q4 season, baby! Woo! We're gonna wipe them out. So we're back now from the retail arbitrage trip. Spent around about £440. We hit 2 Smith stores, a Home Sense. We went into lots of other stores as well, but there wasn't really nothing there. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring all the stock in now, and yeah, hopefully we're going to do some more online arbitrage later as well. Let's get it.